Hey you guys, it's Jasmine here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And if you are watching this video, that means you are one, you love Disney, or two, you enjoy pack with me videos. And that's exactly what we're doing today. I am going to Disney World. It is an all girls trip this time. No kids will be here, although I will miss my babies. This is a definitely much needed girls trip to my favorite place in the world, which is Disney. So if you do love pack with me videos, definitely just keep watching. Okay, guys, I'm back. This packing thing is crazy, but I'm super excited because we're going to Disney. So, we will be leaving to go tomorrow. I'll be driving. Sorry about the light. I will be driving over to my sister, and we will be driving to Atlanta to catch our flight. That'll be not too long, so we don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have, and it's a mess, so just bear with me. Okay, so these are all the outfits that I've already had laid out for here. This right here is my Stony Clover dupe. This has my socks, bras, panties. I'm not taking a whole bunch of ears. I mean, this is a lot, but not a whole lot. All of these are not Disney certified, but they're cheaper version. These don't hurt my head, so I prefer these anyway. But these are all the ears that I'm taking. My Donald ears. Some of these I even got from Temu. These I'm going to do with Animal Kingdom with that. It's a t-shirt and a little brown romper. I'm actually wearing another romper that is the same, that looks the same, just a different color in pink. I'm doing that for Magic Kingdom, and more than likely going to possibly do those ears with that. I'm not 100% sure. You'll have to wait until the vlogs start. And I have my Chip and Dale ears that I'm taking as well. And those are all the ears that I'm taking. Now, I am doing fanny packs, which I got all of these from Temu. And the Disney ears I got, not Disney ears, the patch I got from Amazon. Okay, and that's like it's coming on this as like a pink, but it's really like a purple, a different shade of purple. And I got a brown one. I didn't want anything on the little brown one. And I got a regular pink one that didn't have anything on it either. And I also have my Stony Clover, of course, my backpack, my baby. And I have my big fanny pack, my actual Stony Clover jumbo fanny pack that I'll wear with everything else. So it'll go with everything else. So that'll be my go-to. And depending on how the parks are going to go, I may end up bringing a backpack as well as my fanny pack. But this is my go-to backpack, my Stony Clover Disney backpack. What I usually put into my park bags are umbrella, koozies, bring a ton of those. That's my blanket. And some type of little pouch where I keep all of my go-to things. And I'll show you a little bit of what's in it. Medicine. Got some emergency. Got toilet seat covers. Chapstick. I have masks. Wipes. I have my vitamin pill thing. It's probably going to go on my fanny pack, and I have my electrolyte thing I use for my water enhancer. I always need electrolytes when you're at Disney. And it's some other things that I need to put in here as well, like my magic band, portable charger, things like that. That is all going to go with me to the parks. And my fans, they're in another bag. I'll have to show you those, but that all goes into my park bag. For now, this will be my airport bag, my personal item for my airport bag. Aside from that, my ears are gonna go in this so they won't be scrunched up. It's fairly a big plastic bag, not plastic bag, but it's like a clear bag with the minis on here. I got this from a Etsy shop, and she also has a website called Amy's World Boutique. So I was super, super excited. I got a lot of those pouches from her. And here I got another pouch full of stuff. It's more park stuff. I bought these from Temu. They are shoe covers for like the rain. If we do end up going down there while, you know, it's raining, because it is hurricane season in Florida. These are supposed to be shoe covers that you can put on top of your shoe just to keep, you know, your tennis shoes from getting messed up. I have tons of fans, of course, all in here. These are, which I also got from Temu, the little Ziploc baggie is also from the same company where I got the container where my ears are going to be going, the Amy Small World. But what's in it right now is my other Magic Band. I have my Magic Band Plus charging right now, but I'll be taking these. I'll take it out right quick. But I got these from Temu, and they are clips for your bag or your fanny pack for your ears. So when you're not wearing them, you can clip them onto your backpack or your bag or your fanny pack so that your ears will still, you know, still be on you, but you don't have to worry about carrying them. So I got a pink one and a black one from Temu. I do not remember how much it was, but I will try to link it if I can. Got a first aid kit in here. And this is where I just throw all of my stuff that I usually have for my park bag that I can swap out. I got these, and I'm only bringing a couple pair of shoes. I'm bringing my platform Tevas, however you pronounce it, but I'm bringing those for my sandals. I'm bringing my tennis shoes, my New Balance. They are so comfortable, so I'm bringing those, and I am bringing my Crocs, my slide Crocs over there. And I bought these dupe Converse from Amazon for like $22. We shall see, you guys, but I will let you know how they are with all the walking that I'll be doing. But I did buy these for comfort, so we shall see. But I will link those anyway. And that is it, y'all. I'm not going to go through every outfit that I have. You will see it on the vlogs. But I do use packing cubes when I pack. These are the Stony Clover by Target's line that they had with Target. So I'll be using these for my packing today. And my toiletry bag is from Bag Smart. Everything fits in here, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how big this thing is. This is the extra large size. If you ever find it on Amazon, this is Bag Smart brand. And this thing holds everything, and I still can fit some more stuff in here. And I'm not even done. This thing is huge. And I still have room for other stuff. I have literally everything in here. So this is like one of the best things that I bought. And I think I want to say I got it on like a Prime Day sale, which they're still fairly good in price anyway. But I will link what I see. But yes, they have different colors. This is not the only color. This is like a rose gold with gold zippers. So that's that. I will be taking my 30 inch roller, and I'll be using my Jada Brook duffel as my carry-on bag. I love this bag. I believe in magic, and I do. So I'll be taking that for other stuff. But that is it, y'all. So I'm gonna put y'all down and speed it up, and y'all watch me pack all of my stuff. And I forgot, I do have another pouch that I'm taking that has all of my electronics, like my chargers, which I bought this from Amazon as well. It's a 3-in-1, and it is the bomb, y'all. So you have your one little outlet or whatever, charges my phone, my earbuds, and my watch, all at the same time. So if you're thinking about it, definitely do it. Got it from Amazon. Of course, I got my Magic Band Plus, earbuds, portable charger, and other cords that are supposed to go with it, and blocks. So that's what I keep that in there. All of my little pouches that you see right here are not actually Stony Clover. Got these from either Amazon, Temu, and I put pouches on some of these myself, because who's going to pay $100 for a pouch? Not I. And I'm not. But they are still cute, and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference Only thing that is stony clover is my backpack that my mommy bought me, and my black jumbo fanny pack. Just to throw that out there. But that is it, y'all. I believe that's it. I think that's it. Let's get to packing. Okay, y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I'm almost done. Whew, I think I'm gonna put my shoes in my duffel bag. And I did decide to go ahead and put my ears in here because I think they're gonna be okay in the suitcase. So I'm almost done. Only thing I need to throw in there, my toothbrush, toothpaste is in there. And I think that's it.
Did you just buy a toothbrush? Oh.
All right, moment of truth.
What's this one?
So 19. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, 41 pounds is where we're at. So I'm not going to put anything else in there. Not going to put anything else in there because I want to be able to have some room if I do decide to buy anything. The plan is not to overspend because this is just a girls trip without the kiddos. So I should not spend that much money. But I do want to be able to have the option if I needed to have some room for any souvenirs. So I think we are good to go, you guys. The next video you'll be seeing is our travel day, which should not be too far from now. We will be there for 5 days: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we come back Monday. So 5 nights, 6 days we will be in Disney World. We will, if I haven't said that already, we will be staying at Art of Animation. We'll be in the Lion King Suites. Stay tuned. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel and show everybody my channel so that more people can view it. Definitely, you guys, thank you so much for all the support on this channel. And stay tuned to all of the future Disney vlogs, whether it be with me, my girls trip, or me and my babies. We are a Disney. What are you about to say?
Don't forget to hit that bell, turn on the notification button, and hit that thumbs up button.
What he said. Thank you so much, you guys, again, for all the support, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Travel to it.
There go you another opportunity.
Yeah. I got it this time. Ooh.
Some more.
We're pals, right?
Yeah.
And we'll always be pals, right?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.